Hello and welcome to the next video in Computer Science 1300. Again, my name is Michael and today we are going to be talking about different levels of abstraction that are involved when we write code and what happens to that code as it interacts with the lower level computer hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and share a little diagram of what's actually going on when we're programming. So here we are up at the top. We are this programmer and we are interacting with our computer via our keyboard and mouse and screen. And when we say that we are coding, what we're doing is we're writing in a high-level programming language. And so in this class, we're going to be using C++. Here's an example of what you can see here. And then there are a series of tools that take this high-level language and convert it into more and more simple entities that are understood by the computer at a lower and lower level. So the programming language is compiled into an assembly language, which is still human readable, but no one really codes in assembly. And then this assembly language is assembled into machine code. And machine code, these are actual instructions, just pure numbers. And these are instructions to the processor that tells the processor what to do with the physical memory. And so the machine code is really the instructions to that microsurgeon that's going in there and modifying our physical bits in our RAM. And so we really don't need to worry all that much about these lower levels because there's a whole series of tool chains that are set up to handle this. So someone's already written a compiler and an assembler, and they've created a processor that can operate on binary. And so because people have done all of this work and built it into the software and the hardware of the computer, as programmers, all we really need to worry about is this high-level programming language. And that's what we'll focus on in this class, is learning this high-level programming language, which really is the interface for us to interact with the memory of the computer and to do useful things. So with that, we'll go ahead and conclude this video on the different levels of abstraction involved in writing software. Thank you.